Hello friends, so I made my own birthday cake which is easy to make and delicious in taste. So let's see how I made this cake. So first of all, I take 4 small Oreo biscuits packets and then I add all the biscuits into the grinder, and we don't need to separate the cream. And then I break the biscuits in small size. After this I grind the biscuits, and now I am adding 1 small glass of milk. It is normal milk, and mix it again. And now I am adding 1 packet of Eno in it. And mixing it again. Here you can see that the batter is thick and the small bubbles are coming out. And now I am applying half tablespoon of butter in a clean container, and then I am pouring all the batter into it. Now I am preheating the cooker. And then I am placing a small katori in the cooker and cake container on it. And now I am covering the lid, and I have removed the rubber and whistle. And after 45 minutes I checked it with the stick and it comes out clean. And then let it cool for few minutes. You can see it looks very yummy, but now I am topping it with Hershey's chocolate syrup. It will add more chocolatey flavor in the cake. Cake is ready to relish. Let's see how it looks from inside. It tastes so yummy, and it's also very soft and spongy.